Hello guys, how are you? I just got a puncture on the N1 North, approaching Maritzburg after N17. While I was changing my tire, there was two suspicious guys approaching me, and I just felt something is wrong with these guys. Here's my tire. Here's my car. And then I just moved backwards, and then I made as if I'm pulling out the gun. And this other one pulled out the gun, saying that they were not going to Tosa. And then I ran for my life. The other one chased me with the okapi, which is a knife. I went inside. Imagine N1 cars are driving 120, 140. And then I tried to stop this bloody fucking Metro Police guys, which are useless. They just passed. I jumped over to the side of going south. I tried to stop another bloody useless Metro Police. I mean, how bonamuta jumpa strata amata go freeway? Don't you stop being chased by a stranger with a gun or mongotsore okapi? I'm so disappointed. Ka law enforcement ya rona. I'm so fucking disappointed. I was helped by an Uber driver. I'm sorry to say this, but this guy, he was a foreigner. He stopped and they ran. I've got a panic button for tracker, which is fucking useless. This is the second time. Ke press a panic button. Yeah? This girl calls me, are you okay? And then I tell them, no, I'm not okay. This is the panic button. And then she fucking asked me, who are those guys? I mean, I'm getting robbed. How will I know these bloody fucking guys? Yeah? You must fucking cancel that contract of now and on a bloody fucking tracker. And you, Metro Police, hey, stupid, useless. Our law enforcement is fucking useless. The mistake is 64. Jesus.